one of those looks where you do like the shoulder dance. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Too long, you're the one and you know it. You want it calm, in case you didn't know it. Nothing is changing, I'm still your girl. You want it calm, you want it calm. Don't worry.
Hello, if you've never seen me before, hi, my name is Youkeyy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. A one, a two, a three, go. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We're like a love song, you know, get you in the mood for the Valentine's Day. But I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you'd look at me differently, love. Things were destined to change, 'cause love, so many people use your name in vain. Now that I've woken up the entire neighborhood, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a sultry, soft, flirty, sexy Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I did a video called American versus African Makeup where I just kind of implemented the patterns that I had noticed on Instagram for each particular culture. By African, I meant Nigerian in particular. A lot of you said you wanted to see a full face of the Nigerian side, so that's what I'm going to be doing in this video today, because looking at that side, I did notice that it was very sultry and all of that, but I think a lot of it had to do with 1, the color choice, 2, the red lips, and 3, that feline eyeliner that I actually hate. Y'all thought I was favoring the American side on that video, but a lot of like the African makeup trends, I can't stand it. Like, I'm not an ombre lip person. I'm not a feline eyeliner person when it comes to that dip in the inner corner. I'm not a concealer around the lips kind of person. That is actually the one thing I hate when it comes to the Nigerian side, because it just... So for Valentine's Day, that is what I'll be doing. A very sultry, smoky, sexy, mysterious kind of vibe. So if anyone has any Valentine's Day plans, this could be something you would want to do. I don't know, or maybe incorporate bits and pieces into it. As for me, I'll probably be watching Netflix or something, you know. I'm going to be using this bad boy here, the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. Okay, so the 3 colors I'll be using are Define Me, Evolve, and Mask. I do realize I use too much of concealer whenever I am putting down my base, or laying down my base, I should say. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan. You don't need a lot of concealer, but I just have a habit of packing it on. I did better this time around by not applying too much, which I have done in the past, but that was in my past life. I'm a better person now. I don't know, I feel like I like talking to you guys more whenever I'm not doing a voiceover for the eyes. Even though I know it is kind of creepy being so close and me talking to you like this. Now I'm going to set it with the RCMA No Color Powder. I feel like using this larger brush prevents me from packing too much of it on. What is everyone doing for Valentine's Day? Like, what is the lowdown? This is the color Define Me, and I'm sweeping that a bit above my crease. Ooh, do you guys remember Case, I'm Missing You? That's still my jam. I'm missing you like a song. And Faded Pictures. How can love be so unkind? Heartbreak. My God, it's breaking. Woo. I'm an R&B head in general, but 90s R&B is where it's at. Like, nothing will ever replace 90s R&B to me. I'm missing you. Ooh, does anybody remember John B? Okay, I'm not gonna get anywhere in this makeup look if I keep talking about some of my favorite 90s songs. 5 hours later, we're still applying one eyeshadow. So I'm taking this color right next to it called Evolve. It's such a pretty, like, orangey terracotta kind of brown. Oh my God, does anyone remember Casey and JoJo? Why am I so like annoying today? And when I think 90s, I automatically think Lauryn Hill. Ooh, strumming my pain with his fingers. I really want to see her live, but I've heard really bad things about her performing live, and I don't want my memory of her and all the memories associated with her music to be spoiled. So using that brush earlier that I used to place that first color and just kind of smoking scenes out. I'm taking the color Mass and I'm just gonna pat that on there. So anyways, I was saying I still do want to see Lauren in concert. I don't know, maybe the few people that told me that they didn't have a good time, maybe it was just that one time. But if you've seen Lauryn Hill live, let me know, like down in the comments, and let me know what your experience at the concert was like. This palette doesn't have like a deep true brown, which is annoying to me, because the other color that I see, one of them is like a dark green, the other one is like a dark purpley plum. I was gonna push you guys further back and then kind of like just do everything else, but I think I'm gonna keep you here for now. And what I'll do is off camera, I'll apply my concealer, my waterline eye pencil, and then I will show you the, the feline eyeliner dip, because I think some of you mentioned that you wanted to see how that was done. So okay, so let's try to see if I can get this on camera, because I never am able to do eyeliner on camera. Before I do that though, I'm gonna add my inner corner highlight. I'll be using Lil Peach. I'm gonna add some MAC Fix Plus. I didn't want it so intense and so concentrated, so I am going to try to blend it out a bit. Let me just take off some of the product off of my brush. The deepest brown color that I used to the lid for that other video, it was a very rich dark brown color. I don't have another brown like that I know of, so yeah, this is just gonna have to do. I refuse to use that other palette from a company which shall not be named. Pero no more free publicity 2018. Because of the amount of skin that I have on my eyes, I actually prefer to go in with a felt tip liner, but I have yet to find a felt tip liner that's super dark. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Just the regular style. I have such a hard time explaining things that have to do with the eye as I do it. Well, when it comes to liner anyway. Can you guys see? Like, I feel like you can't see. I'm just gonna do like a little, just a line just like that. And I'm gonna go below my fold because I don't want to risk it. I just did a horrible job explaining that, but I've got an eye fold. Actually, I do have hooded eyes. You guys probably can't tell, but I've got an eye fold like right here. So I try not to take my eyeliner like up beyond that point. And sometimes I do by mistake, but I try to pretend as if I know what I'm doing. Got one eye. Let's see if I can do the other one. In all honesty, the two things that make me feel, really the two things that make me feel like nervous when it comes to makeup: lashes and eyeliner. Eyeliner I can kind of get away with, because if I just don't do a wing, that's fine. You know, I can go without doing a wing, but lashes lashes stress me out. And like my fold on the other side is like at a different location kind of. So they usually don't end up looking all that even, simply because like this fold is further out than this one. The line on my top lash line, I'm just going to extend it further down and have it dip at an angle. And I'm just bringing it down in segments. Okay, that's really thick, but that's okay. And then connect it to the lower lash line. I think the trick is to make sure that both angles match, you know? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm messing up. Okay, so I think another reason I hate this technique is that it accentuates my tear troughs. So I probably should not have brought this one down to the point that I did. And this one is thinner. I definitely prefer the thinner end, but I do need it to match the other side, so I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker. You know what? They're not even at the same angle, and frankly, I don't care. Did you guys see that? I don't know what just happened, but my eyeshadow that was up here, like, legit just moved down. Oh, and that's another thing that happens. Sometimes your highlighter will smear onto the liner. That's totally random how it just went by. Like, There we go. Now we're looking a little bit more sultry.
I've got something lovely, something lovely.
I love like old school R&B love songs as well. And lately I've really been into a lot of jazz. Ooh, and my favorite song right now is Misty by Ella Fitzgerald. I'm a little bit of a hopeless romantic. I feel like temporary discomfort is so much more bearable than a lifetime of dread, basically. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I kind of feel like MAC Fix Plus darkened everything. Pa, pa, pa. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Slow down, slow down. I just want to get to know you. Why do I literally turn everything into a song. I'm so sorry. For that video, I used another liquid lipstick as the darker color around the perimeter of the lips, but this time I'm going to be using the, let's get this in frame, guys. I'm going to be using the ColourPop I Love Sarai Mamacita Lippy Pencil, and then I'm going to be using Colored Rain's Cherry Blossom, which is the main lip color. I've never seen a lip pencil this soft, but it's giving me a bit of like plum. Wait. What is this exactly? Colored Rain Cherry Blossom, a very blue toned classic red. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, this is giving me a lot of like dark lip realness, and I do want a little bit more of a brighter red, so I think once this dries down, I want to take a bit of the Fenty Stunna Lip Paint in Uncensored. This brush is clean, by the way. It's just got some leftover pigment on it. I'm gonna put on some lashes and then we'll come back and we'll chat. We'll chit chat. Testing. Hello, are you recording? Okay, you're recording. All right, cool. In case anyone is wondering, the lashes I have on are by LaPage Trends, and it is the style Amethyst. As much as I hate ombre lips, as much as I hate doing this feline liner, I must admit, it is a look. We are slaying for the girls, for the boys, for all the humans in the world. You can do this for date night. You can do this for really anything, to be honest. The eyes are toned down enough for it to be multi-use. I didn't know what word to say, so I just decided to do that little dance while I thought of a word to say. Still not a fan of ombre lips. I think the most ombre lip kind of situation I'll do is probably a nude lip, and that's to just make my lips look more plump. And you don't even have to put makeup on for Valentine's Day, to be honest. Do you, boo? Be natural if you want to be if you want to be chilling by yourself at home if you want to be. And in case you're wondering about the background, it is the same exact background that I just had last, except what I did this time was I just put all of the red roses together and set the white flowers aside. By the way, these paper flowers were made by Floral Glam on Instagram. I purchased them, she sent them out to me, and then I just kind of like put the pieces together as far as where everything goes. She kind of gave me a template, so that was really cool to do. So yeah, I just decided to do something a little, you know, romantic, like for the girls. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like the background, the hair, everything is giving me like Spanish vibes, maybe even a little bit of Wild Thoughts by Rihanna, you know. Wild thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to thumbs it up, and also comment down below in the comment section to let me know what you think. What are your thoughts? Would you rock this? Also subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Be sure to hit the bell to get all notifications so you never miss a video from me. Be sure to follow me on social media. I'm on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and also Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, please do me a favor and also turn on post notifications, because we all know Instagram's been acting up a little bit and very few of my followers have actually been seeing my work. So be sure to turn on post notifications so you don't miss out, especially because a giveaway is coming up soon, and if you miss it. So yeah, I think that is all for this video. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one, Lord willing. Stay blessed. Bye.